Hi guys, and welcome back to the second part or the part 2 of the uplifting eyeshadow look. So as you saw yesterday, I did green. So today I'm gonna do blue and you're gonna have fun watching it, and it's one of the best because I love blue and green shades when it comes to eyeshadows. So now without wasting further ado, let's get started.
Those are the guys you choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. Saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you.
So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys liked this video, and I think you got a few ideas from this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. Links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Call you up, how you been? Can we play rewind? Yeah, those are the guys you choose. They don't care.